Oh, ije love.
Okwu love ka na-ekwu.
Oh, ije love.
Ije love ka anyị na-ekwu.
Oh, ije love.
Imagine the ways of love. Imagine the steps of love. Amakwanu ka o si ebido, na ka o si eje. Love is so strong.
My dear, that's unfair and unkind of you not to have given that young man audience.
Dad, please. I don't want to ever talk about Eric. Please.
But the young man has shown you how sorry he is. He did. Haven't you punished him enough? Tell me. Tell me what he must do to deserve your forgiveness.
He should go away.
But you know he is human.
Dad, please. Please, stop tormenting me with talks of the man who hurt me so much. Dad, if you don't want me to stay in your house again, then I'll go back to the village. I don't want to talk about Eric again.
Could it be I'm falling in love with Remy? No. I can't be in love with any man right now. Not after what I passed through in the hands of Eric. But he's growing fond of me and I'm getting so attached to him. But come to think of it, he hasn't done anything to me, unlike Eric, who I will never forgive for what he did to me. I still need to take my time and study Remy properly before getting into any form of relationship with him. Though he looks nice, but that was what I thought of Eric before getting to know who he truly is. In fact, I don't think I'm ready for anything relationship for now. No. I'm done. Get it out of your head. I'm done.
Coming.
I am very sorry for disturbing your peace over Eric's matter. I'm very sorry for not realizing the trauma, the emotional pain, the damage his action did to you. Honestly, I'm sorry for not realizing what you are passing through and not giving you reasonable time to pass through the process, to process things yourself. I'm sorry, my daughter.
I'm equally sorry, Dad. I'm sorry for the way and manner in which I spoke to you earlier today. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
I will. But on one condition. That you don't tell me you are going to leave me again. I have come to love and accept you as my daughter. Please, don't threaten me with that again. Don't tell me you will leave me again, please.
I'm sorry.
I would never say a thing like that ever again. You will always remain my dad. And I've come to love you as well. I am not going anywhere. It is a promise. I am not leaving you.
And I promise you, I will never discuss Eric's issue in this house again.
I have a new date.
Really? Who could that be? I can't wait.
Okay. His name is Remy.
Remy? I can't wait to meet Remy. I can't wait to meet with him. And you're happy?
Of course I am happy.
Can't wait to see. Hey, what's up? You okay? What's wrong?
You're back.
Yeah. Are you okay?
No. I'm not just happy, okay? I'm sad.
You're not happy. What's wrong, man?
The new girl I told you about.
What's wrong with the new girl? Are you having issues with her?
No. She's been avoiding me. She's not taking my calls. She's doing everything possible to block me from seeing her.
That's strange. Have you tried to go to her house? Do you know where she lives?
Yeah, I do. I do, but I've not been there to check up on her.
Oh. Okay, I think you should do that. Yo, you want me to go with you?
Come on, bro. No. I'll go there myself, okay? I'll go there and know why she's been avoiding.
Yeah, I think you should do that because she might have her own reason why she hasn't reached out to you. So it's important that you reach out first and find out. It's important.
Alright, I will do just that. Okay.
Alright. Listen, I hope everything goes well for you, okay? I want you to be happy.
Thank you. Thank you so much, bro.
So it's true.
What are you doing here?
Did you really look in the mirror today? Because you look like a mess.
I repeat, what are you doing here?
Well, I heard what happened. In fact, I heard everything that happened. You know, I was happy, at the same time sad. I was happy because I knew it would not be long before God punishes you for what you did to me. At the same time, I was sad because I know that I love you so much, and I still do. Probably because you're going through a lot right now. I mean, it's not easy bringing in a village miserable blind girl to town, and she regained her sight and left you. I mean, take a good look at yourself.
Are you here to mock me?
No. For what? Come on, darling. You brought this upon yourself. I had real love for you. I love you and I still do. But what did you do? You shoved it up my ass and went for a nobody. Take a good look at you now. Look at your life.
It's never too late to reconcile with me. I mean, to beg me, of course. That's why I'm here.
Leave my house.
What?
I said leave my house.
Is this pride talking or what? I mean, are you really asking me out of your house, Eric?
Tina, just leave my house, okay?
The windows are open. Time is ticking. It's not too late to beg me. I mean, it's not too late for us to reconcile.
Me beg you.
That's why I'm here.
Baby, what's going on? What's going on? Why are you avoiding me? Look, for God knows what, you've been avoiding me and... Come on, baby. If there's anything I have done, okay, please, tell me. I will apologize here and now.
You've done nothing to me. Then absolutely nothing. As a matter of fact, I find you to be perfect. You are such a perfect gentleman. And that makes me wonder why you've been unfortunate, or should I say unlucky in relationships. Or is it that my gender are too blind or unintelligent to spot a genuine and sincere man like you?
Baby, I believe God has a reason for everything and for everyone.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I started avoiding you in recent time. But you see, the truth is, I needed time for reevaluation. I needed time.
To think that my brother was right after all. He said the same thing to me too.
You have a brother?
Oh yes, I do. I have another brother. In fact, I have another brother whom I have told so much about you. I cannot wait for him to meet the special woman in my life.
What makes me special?
Because you are special. And because my heart beats for you. And will forever, ever beat for you. All I want is for you to give me an opportunity to take this relationship to another level. Please.
I want to.
Sure?
I really want to.
Thank you. Thank you. I love you. I love you so much. But from the depth of my heart, I do love you. I promise you, you're not going to regret this. Okay? In fact, how about we go see my brother tomorrow?
That would be great.
Sure! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
My dear, my attempt to reconcile you with Ujuka almost brought a serious issue between us. It almost severed my relationship with her. I don't want that.
I'm very sorry to hear that, Doctor.
You see, she made me promise her that I will not talk anything about you before her again. And what is most paramount and important to me right now is my relationship with her. If I jeopardize it, her stay with me in this house will be jeopardized. Please, I do not want anything that will come in between us. I'm sorry about that.
Doctor, I clearly understand how you feel. And I must respect the fact that you are trying to secure that fatherly relationship you have with Ujuka. But it's very disturbing to me that up until now she hasn't forgiven me. And I don't know why. The truth is, I am not asking Ujuka to take me back. I am not asking for a relationship. I am just asking for her forgiveness. Is it too hard for her to forgive me? I want to know what it would take for her to forgive me. Does she want my life? If she wants my life, then she should say so. Then I can give her my life. I just want to be forgiven. I feel terrible. I feel bad. And I'm genuine. I'm not...
My dear, I don't mean to sound selfish here. There is absolutely nothing I can do about that. My relationship with Ujuka right now is very, very important to me. If there is any way I can help you, my dear, I will. But please, stop coming to the house. Ujuka just met a young man and she is into a relationship with that young man right now. I'm sorry, I can't help you.
You are alive. You are alive, Ugonna.
Ugonna.
Ugonna, come to me. Ugonna, come to me. Ugonna, you should come to me. That man is evil. You have no idea what he did to me.
Forgive.
Say, forgive? You have no idea what this beast did to me. Never forgive you. Never.
Forgive.
No! No! Ogo. Ogona. Ogona. Leave me, Ngo. I'll never forgive him. I'll never forgive him. I'll never forgive him. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Don't forget his good deeds.
Imagine
forget his good deeds.
Never forgive him.
Uchuako, my daughter, what is it? You're shouting on top of you, you've been screaming, you're yelling. What is the problem? Who is after you?
Did I yell?
Of course. I heard your voice. That's why I rushed in to know what is wrong with you. Hope all is well, my daughter.
It was a bad dream. It was a bad dream. There's nothing to worry about. I'm fine, Daddy. It was only but a bad dream.
Are you sure about that? You're fine.
I am fine, Daddy. You have an early morning surgery. Please go back to bed. Please. I'll be fine.
It's okay. But I want you to know that dreams are mere working of the mind, okay? Just sleep tight.
You too.
Let me see you lie down, please.
I will, Daddy.
It's all right. Good night.
Dad, I'm sorry for not letting you, know that I'm coming. I'm sorry.
Do you need to inform your father before coming to see him? No. And who is this young man by your side? This handsome young man.
Daddy, he's the man I told you about. His name is Remy. Remy, meet my adoptive parent.
It's nice meeting you, sir. I'm very fine, thank you. She has told me a lot about you. In fact, how very special you are. Thank you. Thank you very much for standing by her. I forgot to mention that you restored her sight.
No, I did not. God restored her sight, and we should give all the glory to God Almighty.
That's true.
Well, my dear, I am the owner of this hospital. I'm the MD. I specialize in ophthalmology. My daughter told me a lot about you. You must be a special and wonderful person to have brought happiness to her in such a short while. I guess she must have told you her story.
Yes, she did. As a matter of fact, we shared our stories. And ever since then, we became best of friends. And now we are lovers.
I can see that. So what is your name?
My name is Remy Juice Anyeke. My friends call me Remy for short.
And your parents?
My parents are late. The name of my father is Chief Alphonsus Anyeke.
Chief Alphonsus Anyeke. That name rings bell. Was your father a politician?
Yes, my father was the governorship candidate for ANCC party. Eric. Eric. Eric! Eric! Doctor, please, how's my brother? How's my brother?
He will recover fully soon. The doctor on duty was able to rid him of the poisonous substance that he took that is in his system. He'll be fine.
Please.
Don't worry.
Please, doctor, I cannot afford to lose my brother. He's all I have.
You will not. I know what is going through your mind right now. But my dear, there is absolutely nothing, no knowledge that is above God. Absolutely nothing. Okay? He'll be okay. Hmm?
Thank you, doctor. Thank you very much.
Remy, my brother. I feel so ashamed of myself. I'm sorry for trying to take my own life. And that's because I've been a shadow of myself. I could not think of a better choice. I've begged for forgiveness. And I wasn't forgiven. Everything became worse when I said to myself, I never knew my mistake as a child would come back to haunt me. My life turned upside down when I realized the love of my life is in love with someone else. Remy, I just wanted to end it all. I wanted to kill myself because I felt that would give me peace of mind.
Eric, so if I hadn't returned home, you would have died just like that. Eric, for what? For one selfish, hard-hearted girl who has decided never to forgive you. Is it worth taking your life?
Yes. Yes, Remy. I was going to take my life. I hurt her, Remy. I hurt her so bad. And there's absolutely nothing I could do to change everything I did. To take back all the bad things I did to her. I said to myself, if taking my own life would make her forgive me, would bring peace to her, I'm ready to end it all. I'm ready to end the misery, the frustration, the pain. I was ready to do everything. I was, Remy.
Need I remind you, Eric, that you're my brother? You're my only brother. I love and cherish so much. I will never sit back and watch anything happen to you. I only wish I could set my eyes on this wicked woman and tell her how unfair and rude she has treated you. What else does she want from you? Haven't you atoned for your sins enough? Haven't you? You brought her to the city where she practically regained her sight. What else does she want from you? This one must be so terrible.
The girl you seek to question is right here with us.
What? Who are you talking about? Who is the girl?
sorry. I was unfair towards your brother. I'm the girl in question. But I didn't know both of you are brothers.
The same way I did not know that he is your brother. I didn't know.
Wait. You know my brother? Oh God, no. No, this is not...
Wait, did you come together?
Yes.
Wait, did you come here together?
Yes, brother.
You know her?
Yes. Brother, she's the girl I wanted to introduce to you at home.
Are you joking? Remy, this is the girl I was telling you about.
What? No, this is not happening.
What?
This is not happening. This is not happening.
Remy, that's okay. You don't have to beat yourself up, okay? Nothing has changed. I'm ready to sacrifice the love I have for her for both of you to be together. And truth be told, there's nothing between us. We didn't have sex, okay? So, she's still yours. I mean, I just want her to forgive me. I just want her forgiveness. That's all. Alright? I mean, I love her, but it's okay. You can have her. You're my brother, and she can be my sister too. I want her to forgive me, so I can be at peace with myself. I don't look at her like that. We just liked each other and fell in love, but we didn't have sex.
Just when I thought I found the one for me.
Remy, what do you mean by that? Remy!
You have a very good spirit. You have a good heart.
No way you would have known Eric is my brother if I didn't bring you home. Eric and I grew up together. We grew up not just as brothers, but as best of friends. When Eric got missing, I cried. I cried. I prayed. I wished for his return. When he returned, he told me a whole lot about you. He told me how much you mean to him. is why we cannot continue this relationship. I would never have loved you as much as Eric loves you. The truth is, I would never have dated you if you were blind. But he did. He did. It shows the enormity of his love for you. Please, I beg you, don't throw that away.
I told you what he did to me.
Yuka, that was in the past. That was in the past now. You know very much that that is no longer who Eric is. That was a long time ago. The best thing you can do now is to forgive him. Forgive him so he can heal from the heart. I am not saying this because he's my brother. I'm saying this because it is the right thing to do. Eric needs your love and forgiveness now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the precious moment we shared together. Though it was short. Though I wished for something better. But I value and cherish every moment of it. Take care of yourself.
Amakwanu ka osiebido na kosieje. Love is so strong. Just imagine the ways of love. Imagine the steps of love. Onye makwanu ka osiebido na kosieje ihe mabu na love is strong.
Uchuka, I know asking you to take me back is going to be asking for too much. However, that's not my intention. I just want to be forgiven.
And who says you are asking for too much? Nothing is too much for you, Eric. I forgive you.
You do?
Yes, and I'm willing to give us another chance.
You still love me?
Yes, I do. It is high time I asked for your forgiveness. I am sorry, Eric. I am sorry for despising you and throwing away what we shared. I am sorry. You see, the truth is, you brought the spark into my life. You took away my frustration as a poor blind girl. I really do appreciate. I do, from the bottom of my heart. And thank you for not giving up on me. I want us back. Can we start all over again? Please.
Life is all about love. And love is the true meaning of life. My life is meaningless without you. Ojuka, I am completely lost without you. Thank you for not giving up on me. And thank you for coming back into my life. That reminds me, you promised to tell me how I look the moment you regain your sight. So tell me, how do I look?
You are a handsome, perfect gentleman.